This video is brought to you by Sporlin, quality, integrity, tradition, and SolderWeld, bringing innovative brazing products to the HVAC industry with training and support like no one else. What's going on, guys? Hope you're all having a great weekend. Just wanted to come on here really quick, about a minute or two, to announce our winner for the Las Vegas trip for our SolderWeld Rector Seal contest from the end of June and through July. We collected all of our entries between SolderWeld and myself from all platforms, including Instagram, email, and YouTube. From that compiled list, we drew a winner, and that lucky person is Tom Fioc. Dude, I'm gonna be real with you. I got no idea how to say that freaking name, but congratulations. You and one other will be traveling to Las Vegas for that Best in the West off-road race. Get to hang out in the pit with the SolderWeld team for the off-road vehicle they sponsor through Desert Vets Racing, and just party, man. Your travel and lodging will be taken care of. You will have those passes to have access down to the bottom level, right there where the racers are. I am super jealous. Wish I was there to join you, maybe next year. So man, congratulations, and you get out there and have a blast while we're all back here choking in attics. To everyone else who participated, thanks so much for your entries and your participation in getting Hot Block on the shelves. You may not have won this time, but you at least hopefully got a great product out of it in your tool bag now and or the supply house shelf. As this channel continues to grow the way it has, we will have many more opportunities to have great contests and giveaways like this in the future. So again, great job, Tom. Have a blast for all of us other HVAC technicians out there that are grinding it through the summer. That's about it for now. We will be having another video coming up probably this week. Might make it into a 3-minute Thursday where we will go over Fieldpiece Part 2, the SC660. A lot of huge revelations and learning opportunities and teachable moments came out of that video for me, and it's part of the reason you may not see that video up anymore. So it was pulled down a day or two after. I had a chance to speak with Daikin, I had a chance to speak with York, I had a chance to speak with Fieldpiece. We came out of that with a few very different outcomes from the ones that I described in that video. I had a disclaimer in that video saying if I had any misinformation, had misspoken, or was just outright wrong, that I would pull that video and make it right with another one explaining what happened. That is what we are in the process of doing. So that video is down. We will have part 2 soon. I am not above or too proud to acknowledge when I'm wrong, so I will be doing that in a video for all of you to see. I'm not 100% wrong. We still do have an unresolved issue with the phase rotation, but as far as that frequency part went with the variable speed drives, I was pretty much 100% wrong. And in a few days, we'll talk about it. But until then, guys, stay safe, have a great week out there, and we'll see you on the next one.